All right, this is just a real quick video introducing section 2.2. And again, if you are a digital learner online today, you just watch these couple videos, right, and then do this homework. You will have to reply to this blog quick during this lesson. And then the files down here are sort of optional. These are the lesson notes if you want to see completed lesson notes in case you missed something and want to check your notes against it. And then in class, I usually give them a note sheet to take notes. So in the event you have access to a printer, you could print this off and fill it in as you watch the videos. So again, those are kind of optional ones at the end. But the rest of it is required for you distance learners. Just another plug too, you can try live sessions. I'm hoping they're working and everything. They might be a little clunky, it might not work. If the live sessions don't work, you always have the videos to fall back on. But again, the live session directions are right there. I encourage you to check it out, give it a shot. Um, if it works for your schedule, I think it'd be kind of fun to see if I can get that working. You can even communicate and ask questions and everything. So that's it. Good luck with section 2.2. Let me know if you have any questions.